Maris.
Saan kasi yan, kuya?
Al-Saad Sports Complex.
Sports Complex. Okay, BTC Football 2019.
Si Mahmoud kaya? Hindi ko miness si Mahmoud, nakalimutan ko. You message Mahmoud?
Sana sumabay siya sa kanila, sa mga player.
He's telling no, ano?
Ba yan? Naligo ka ba?
Uy, naligo ko ligo. Ligong uwak
Lang
to.
ako, kasi wala akong tulog eh.
Okay lang yan.
Ang
ano naman
yata
Ibig
mukha
sabihin.
ko.
Mukha naman tayong taga-abroad, di ba?
Siyempre, sa ibang lugar tayo.
Oo, pumayat siya sa food. Pamata ba eh?
Uy, nag-oil lang ako. Anong pamata? Pamatanda. Baby oil lang
Mag-hi ka
yan.
naman kay Ate Joanne.
Asawa ko, gagala lang ako.
Iba-iba lang pala.
Naghanap ako ng raffle prize.
Mananalo ba tayo doon?
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Sana manalo. Inshallah.
Ano ka doon isa? Ang dali sarap.
Alin? Alin?
Pag-tinip ko sa edge, pag-dali sarap.
Sa raffle nga daw. Kasi pag kunwari, tawag yung pangalan niya, tapos wala siya doon, hindi niya makukuha. Kahit nandun tayo, hindi tayo pwede kumuha.
Kasi yung ano dyan, parang attendance day. Ayos ako talaga inano mo.
Basta.
Our player,
Going to play?
our representative
What
of
if Simo is not there? Deliver?
Water boy.
Water boy?
Pero ano,
Oy, lagay mo doon, oh. Hulog mo, kuya.
ilaw ko ah.
Alright, so for all the kids, if you want to win a prize, I want you to stay there at the upper field there, and we were going to play some games. Thank you. Yeah, keep with kids. So I want to see all the boys and girls there.
Yeah, cool.
Abel, Joey.
You drop your people na, sila.
So all the kids, guys, come on.
I want to hear a noise from you guys. Matalan still. How about you, Auntie? Oh, see, a while ago, no wrong, shout loud. That's why they won. Now I think you are team. Now how about Playland? Playland. PTC. Oh, again.
Everybody has to cheer their team. Matlan has scored one goal. You should scream and support your team.
Mamaya, makikita ka.
Alright. Guys, everybody, I want to hear a noise from you. Matalan got 1 point already. Where's Matalan still? Alright, so Mr. Lord Abudan, team captain of Matalan. For your team captain, Khalid Said Ali Muhammad. Alright. Team Captain, Eunice Idris. BTC, Yusef. Okay, submission of raffle entry until 10 a.m. Please proceed at the registration desk.
Kamote! Ang talit, kamote! Kamote!
Until 10 a.m. Please,
Oh!
wow for your team.
What is URT? URT? URT.
You are That's you, no? You are
Alright, right now, BTC. Got 1 point.
Yeah. You are Vivo! You are Vivo! Kamote!
Ayan. Nobody. URT. URT is there, right? Now, Playland.
Medi pala to eh. Medi!
Okay. So, players for... Did you register yet? Please go at the registration desk.
Oh my God.
Fill out those 2 cheer supporters. Please support your team for them to win.
Sama anak ko, nandun na ako na celebrate. Ano lang?
Ano score na? Ha?
So,
Ano channel mo?
Out lang din na.
Point. Okay, Playland versus Big Matalan! URT!
Manmark versus Playland. Again, recap. Matalan, okay, on the lead right now by 1 point.
May tagwar! May tagwar! Kids tagwar!
Okay, recap. Right now, it is... Alright, right now, recap score. BTC, 1 point. Okay, one from Matalan, 1 point lead against URT.
Hindi po?
Yeah, goal.
Yala, kamote!
Asan si Musin?
Ano? Sasabihin ka, ano?
Yung may tsura. Ako may tsura.
Si Muksin?
Mukha pala.
Hanggang kailan yung score?
Ang score? Kahit ilan? Ang ano kasi dito, hanggat matapos mo yung first half na minutes.
Alright, so I want to hear some more.
Wala. Nadali.
Konti na lang, lapit na niya dun eh. Oh, Medi!
Dalawang sipa na lang eh.
Ang dami yan.
Nakakainis.
Magkakalahi yan eh. Eddie, mas better go here. Relax. Sir.
21. Alright, so to everybody. Alright, so please.
Ayun, Derby mo yung
be
player.
ready. After 5 minutes, Villaggio versus URT.
Let's go.
Landmore versus Playland. So, ready guys, all the supporters, okay, spectators, so please do cheer for your team, for them to be motivated. So, as you can see, URT won because their supporters, cheer loud. Okay, so Playland versus BTC. BTC got 4 points and the winner is BTC.
You should bring your the wig, the colorful wig, no? Simo! You so much good, Betty. So much good. Go Dipo.
Dipo! I think of Rita, baby.
Ang galing Dipo.
Okay, for the record, URT got 1 point versus Villaggio.
Uy! Ay! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh! Yeah, you look nice. Oh my God. The sun is on you, ah. But still, ah.
Babad mo lang ano yan. Buong araw. Vlogger girl, oh.
Sabi ng mga bata eh.
Ha?
Gandaan na. Server niyan.
Hindi nga.
Subscribe na lang, para mag 500 na.
Ano mo?
Ay, lakan na lang yung boy.
Mount Tolentino.
Boo.
Sino pag di ka nanalo, nasilbi yung mga photographer mo.
Alright,
Alright, thank you very much.
Puta, lagi na lang. Para sa buwan, ubo tayo pero...
Okay, we have more players.
Di ba ba?
0-0.
Yan.
Patas na yung bola.
Ang dami yung goalkeeper eh.
Forty now got 4 points.
Wala mo ng backup.
Oh my God.
Nakuha na ko niyo yung ano, yung GTR. Video niya si ano eh.
Si Meding.
Lumat na may goal.
هداف عالمي هداف عالمي tatang eh bravo 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 Boy, sila boy!
4 points for URD.
Ba't wala tayong gano'n?
Ever since the day that you went away.